Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's still me, your girl Sukhman. I know I look hella different right now because it is October 31st. It is Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys. Today I am going to show you what I dressed up as for Halloween. So as you can see, I am a part of the SWAT team. I wanted to make it extra cute and not be boring. So I got a wig and I pulled out the color contacts. So if you want to see how I got ready and how I put all this together, then just keep on watching. Okay, so obviously I look hella weird with this wig on my head. And I don't know, but I feel like I did pretty good. I mean, it's stuck on my head, it's not going nowhere, and it feels pretty comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. So obviously you guys can see right here, for Halloween I'm going to be a SWAT officer, SWAT member, I don't know, SWAT team. I'm part of the SWAT team. Plan for this look is just to have it like really like pulled back, because my face is really pulled back right now from this wig. My eyes are like really elongated. So I'm going to start with the Tarte Clean Slate Primer, this one right here, and this is just really going to help me mattify my T-zone. It's probably going to get really hot. Next I'm just going in with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Sun Beige, and I like to pump it out on a plate like this. This is literally like a cap for a Bath & Body Works candle, and then I like to take a brush and just kind of, you know, brush that on. And with this I feel like I don't use as much foundation, like I get more coverage, and I just don't use as much product as I normally would if I just went straight in with a beauty blender. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light Beige. I'm just going to highlight the usual areas, which is just underneath the eyes, and I'm taking it on the side of the nose to also slim the nose. I'm also going to go down the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. I'm just going to blend that out with the same brush first, and then go in with a sponge later. And then using my sponge, I'm just going to set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Light Medium. Okay, so now we're just gonna move on to the eyes, and I'm not really planning on doing much. I just want to do like a simple kind of smoky, like a natural smoky with like some intense liner. So today I'm just going to use the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette from Desi and Katie, and I'm just going to stick with the more natural shades like this one, and this one maybe. So yeah. So I'm first just going in with the shade Necessary, which is just this like neutral taupey color. It's a little bit darker than my natural skin tone, so it's going to add a nice like crease shade, just like that. And I'm really just going to pull it out in this outer corner because I really want it to be nice and elongated. Next I'm just going to go in with this deeper brown shade called Churro, and I'm going to put that in my crease but focusing it more on the outer corner. Now I'm just going to mix the shade Basic and Necessary and just put that all over the lid where we haven't put any shadow yet. Going back in with the deep brown. Now using the Wet n Wild MegaLiner, I'm just going to draw on a wing. Alright you guys, I'm back. I got my lashes on, so let's go ahead and move on to bronzer. So for that I'm going to use the Take Home the Bronze bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm just going to put this all over the face to warm up the face. To contour my nose, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going in with this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to go all along the sides of my nose, just very, very lightly. And I really like to focus the product right in here, just right in that inner corner of the eye. I don't really know why, I just feel like it makes it look slimmer. And then also, of course, I like to cut off like the entire bottom of my eye. Nose. This is my nose. And then to really pinch the nose even more, I'm just going to take a little bit more of the Maybelline Fit Me on my sponge and just go on the sides of the nose, right underneath that contour. And I'm also just going to go down the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to use the Tarte blush in the shade Party. This is one of my favorite blushes, honestly. It's just so subtle, but it gives you that very subtle blushy look that we all love. And now for highlight, I'm going to use the Amrezy collab highlighter with ABH. And I'm really just going to pile this on because it's Halloween and we want to glow. The SWAT team is glowy this year. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the nose bake. And then before I do my lips, I like to go ahead and set my face. So I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist for that. For my lips, I'm using the Annabelle Spice Lip Liner, and then on top of that, I'm going to put the Kiss lipstick by Anastasia. Alright you guys, I'm going to go do some finishing touches, and I'll be right back to finish up this video. Or whatever.